Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my humongous Thanksgiving giant couponing haul for the week of November the 11th through the 17th, 2022. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store. I will have my shopping list in the description box below with the coupon breakdowns and everything down there. This was quite the haul. I was at checkout for quite a while because I did some separate transactions. So you don't need to get all of this stuff. And if you hear the rain, it is pouring down raining out right now. But I'm filming this video for you guys. I'm going to talk as fast as I can. So slow me down in your playback speed if you need to hear me better. But I can talk pretty fast. So here we go. All right, the Eggo, it's $2.50. There's a 75-cent coupon from the Save 1016 that doubles, making it a cost of $1. The 5-point freebie this week is the Giant brand sides. You can get a mac and cheese, and there's a couple different mashed potatoes. Just be careful that you're grabbing the Giant brand, not the Reese's or the Bob Evans, I think is what it's called, because they're all real close, and I almost grabbed the Reese's brand. So make sure you're checking that. Don't make that mistake. The Perdue is 99 cents with the in-app coupon. You can grab two of them. I don't know why. I just grabbed one. And then the potatoes, they're $1.99 when you buy two. I think it also includes 3 pounds of onions, but this is 5 pounds for the rest of it. For $4 for 10 pounds of potatoes is really great. Potatoes will keep for a while if you keep them in a cool, dry space. Okay, guys, so I was going to do this deal multiple times and grab some sugar. My store was out of sugar. They even had a display of it when you walk in the door, and it was wiped off the shelves. And I went to customer service asking if they had more. She said, nope, what's out there is what we have. So I'm like, okay. And she didn't offer a rain check, but the other lady that was there did offer to write up me a rain check, which is super nice. So definitely go to customer service. I'm going to be stocking up on on sugar. So it was spend 10, earn 300 points. So this was also advertised. There's a digital coupon. It's 2 for $4, $1 off of 2 digital coupon makes it 2 for $3, which is a great deal anyway. However, it's also part of this deal, but it's not advertised. It's just kind of, it's in there when you check it online. So I wanted to get sugar, but here we go. I got the flour. I got 3 bags at $2.49, and these were the last bags of flour that I saw. So I'm lucky I was even able to do this deal. Everyone was hitting it up hard. So I grabbed 3 of them. So 2 of them ring up at $2 because they're 2 for $4. And the second rings up for $2.49. So I did make a mistake in my top 5 deals video. At Giant, it needs to be in increments of what they say. So it has to be 2 of them to get them 2 for $4. So what I was going to do with sugar, honestly, I was going to grab 6 bags for $2 a piece. That's what I was going to do. But anyway, here we go. 3 of them, $2, $2.49, and these guys right here, 2 for $4. The $1 off of 2 digital came off. Total cost was $6.49. I had to get back my 300 points, and it makes that $1.30 a piece. That is after points, so keep that in mind. I didn't write this down. Breakstones is $2. I bought it, gets back 50 cents, $1.50. Cracker Barrel Bites, $1.09. Not on sale, but there's 75 cents back on Ibotta, 34 cents. I did have like a weekend bonus that I was going to try to finish, or a turkey. I forget what it was called. So I was kind of working on that, and my husband likes to have those. So I found the Chobani coffee creamer. The pumpkin was on clearance for $2.59. So at my store in the refrigerated section, they have an end cap that's all like holiday flavored, and everything's pumpkin right now. Some of it was on clearance. I should have took a picture to post on Instagram, but I didn't. 50% off at $2.54. There's a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, $1 back on checkout 51, making a cost of $2.08 or $1.04. So hopefully my husband likes that. I don't know. The Betty Crocker. So I'm pregnant. If you don't know, I did a whole video about it, and I can't stand coffee now, so I can't enjoy the coffee creamer. Betty Crocker cake mixes and brownie mixes they have to be favorites. Don't grab the, I think it's like Supreme or whatever. They're $1.25. Grab 8 of them. Spend 10, save $5 instantly. You'll pay $5 in store, or 63 cents a piece, which is a great stock up price for me. I have a lot of recipe videos on my channel for cookies that use cake mixes. It makes it super easy. And then I didn't include this, but Fetch also gave me back 500 points, which is equal to 50 cents. So I actually only paid $4.50 for 8 boxes. So really good deal there. The Del Monte, I told you guys I was going to do this in my top 5 deals video, but I ended up doing it because it was a really good deal. It's spend 15, save $5. I grabbed 15 cans of the Del Monte vegetables for $1 a piece. So I did pay $10 in the store, or 67 cents each. However, I did have a really big earn points bonus. It was spend $70, earn 210 choice points. So it's not too bad after I consider that. I just kind of calculated that in there, but pretty good stock up price there. All right, the Prego is 2 for $4, $1 off a 2 digital coupon. Makes them 2 for $3. Not the best, but I like to have a stack or a stash of spaghetti sauce. Palmolive is $4 for this humongous guy. This is the 32 ounce. I love Palmolive. It is my favorite. $1 off a 2 digital coupon, $1 off a 2 on coupons.com when you submit your receipt. So it makes it a cost of $2. So guys, I do have 2 cards. I think most of you guys know this. So I was able to get my Thanksgiving freebies. The turkey is up to 20 pounds. Or you can get the Stouffer's lasagna, or there's some other meals that you can grab. I wanted to just add this in here because I had a $1.50 Catalina. It was from Giant though. It was off of any meat or seafood purchase of $15 or more. So I wanted to give it a try and just see if I could get an extra money off my total there, and it actually worked. So I was able to get $1.50 off. I did spend $400 on my choice points, which is equal to $4. So I got this huge 18-pound turkey for $2.50. Really amazing. And then the Stouffer's lasagna, I told you guys I was going to do this. So this guy's like 17 bucks. So I used a $2.50 Catalina that somebody had left in their shopping cart. And then I did pay 400 choice points. So I paid $1.50, if you want to think of it that way, for the lasagna. Now, when I did scan that though, a Catalina printed out. So if you don't already have one and one prints out, you can definitely use it for that guy. It'll take some money off. The Dimetapp is $4.94. There's 3 different kinds. One of them is 5 something. So just check. There's a $2 digital. I will submit my receipt to coupons.com and they should give me back $2 there. I bought it has $2 back, making it a $1.06 moneymaker. Keep your eyes out for the Giant Savory magazine. I have not had time to thumb through this guy right here, but I will thumb through it, clip out any coupons, post a picture over on Instagram. You can follow me over there, mama_maid_couponer. All right, guys, let's do the checks and then we'll talk about this big deal right here. So, select General Mills cereals are buy 3, save $5. I wasn't interested and really wasn't even going to do it. I just checked this morning to see what all was included, and the Chex was included. So anybody that does like Chex Mix for Christmas or Muddy Buddies or whatever you call them, they're $3 a box. I had $1 off of 2 that I had cut out of a box. It was a coupon. I forget when, but it's cardboard. So I used that guy. You may have load to card coupons if you haven't used them yet, or maybe coupons.com. I did not have any of those left. And then over on Fetch, it was buy 3, save $5. That was the Giant thing. And then that made that a cost of $3 or $1 a piece. However, over on Fetch, I had a bunch of tracking from General Mills and I got 6,000 points back for that. So that right there was a $3 moneymaker with the Fetch. If not, it's $1 a box if you have a coupon. So now, guys, we're going to talk about this really great deal. Buy 3, save $6. Really great deal. I don't know if you can get multiple items in a transaction because I was trying it online, and online it was only allowing you to do one, like $6 off one time, and that's it. So I didn't want to risk it. I put everything separately. So my first transaction was a bust, honestly. And I was like, what in the world? So this little guy right here is not working for the deal. So don't grab this one. Grab the green, the yellow, or the brown. Don't get that one. But with some of these moneymakers, I think I'm just going to eat the cost. But anyway, that was a little disappointing. So the Vaseline. Oh, and you guys, this does count towards the Fetch. Spend 30, earn back 10. So I'm just going to eat the cost on this guy, but don't grab the white one. So these little guys are $3.69. They're 10 ounces. I used 3 of the $2 coupons from the Save 10 or 11, 13. Now it does say limit of 2, but it didn't beep or anything. I scanned all 3 of them. It works just fine. So don't grab the white one, grab other ones. And it's a little 93-cent moneymaker and tracking towards that Unilever Fetch offer. Nivea body wash. So this isn't free, but this is a really great deal for these big ones. Now my store doesn't carry the men's one, so I just grabbed the women's 20 ounce. I do like Nivea body wash. I grabbed 3 of them at $5. I used a 4 off of 2, which does beep if you're at self-checkout. So just be aware of that. It's the right item. It's just because it's over $3. And then $1.50 off of one women's. That's from the Save 11/13. I do get my inserts early in case you're wondering. Total cost of $3.50 after the $6 instant savings, or $1.17 a piece. Nivea lotion money maker deal. I grabbed 3 of these guys right here for $5.49. The men's was not working over on Ibotta. It was working for a facial care. So just be aware of that. You might want to just grab the normal. You can use the 4 off of 2 and then a 2 off of 1. I used 3 of the 2 off of 1 just to avoid a cashier having to come over and approve the coupon, making it 4 off of 2. But use what you want there. Over on Ibotta, there's $2 back on each of them, so you got $6 back, making it $1.53 money maker. So I'm super excited to be including these items with some of the Christmas gifts that I give away. Okay, so these little guys are actually money makers. They are little 2.5 ounce and they are included. So if you want to grab 3 of them at $1.89, the $6 comes off, making it a little 33-cent money maker. If you're doing this in a separate transaction, make sure you have something else like milk or something to eat that little overage there. And then this little guy transaction here, I grabbed another Aveeno and 2 of the Nivea lip at $3.59. I used the 2 off of 2 from the save that's coming on Sunday. And then Ibotta has 50 cents back on both. I also got, it was either 25 cent or 50 cent bonus on the Nivea because I had already done a Nivea deal a while ago. So that was a little cost of 7 cents, but with the Ibotta bonus, it made it for free. Now there was an Aveeno foot mask. It was like 2 something. I really wanted to grab one of those in this transaction, but I couldn't find it. And then there also was a Bliss Tex that was $1 something that was included in the deal, but my store doesn't carry that either. Okay, guys, so that is it. A ton of things, a lot of stuff I grabbed. I do have extra money saved up for my November couponing with groceries. I always do that. So in case you're wondering, like, how in the world are you going out spending all this money? I have it saved up for November because November is a big food stock up month around here. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys will have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.